bits per second in applications like holographic communication. So AI will play a bigger role in managing networks and automating optimization. We'll see integration in low orbit satellites like Starlink to provide coverage in the remote areas. The future is intelligent, autonomous, and hyperconnected. So, for the conclusion and the takeaway, to sum up, 5G isn't just about speed, it's a foundational platform for innovation. It empowers everything from the healthcare to gaming, from cities to farm. The momentum is strong, but so are the challenges. And even as we roll out 5G, work on 6G is already underway. So the evolution of the 5G is not just technical, it's social, economic, and deeply transformative. And thank you for your attention and keep listening. I'll be happy to take any question or hear your thoughts on how 5G might impact the industry or community.
All right, is that enough? Is your part okay, Miss Itable? Okay, so great job, Miss Itable. So 5G technology really plays a key role in enabling this revolution. As the fifth generation of wireless communication, 5G really provides a ultra fast speed, low latency, and the ability to connect billions of devices simultaneously. So this supports innovations such as smart cities, remote surgeries, autonomous vehicles, and immersive virtual experiences, and all essential elements of the 5IR. So, hoping you all guys got the answer to our warm up question before we dig on this topic. So, now let's hear some question from you guys. Anyone would like to raise a question again? Our chat box is now open.
Okay, for Jesse Bison, how is the fifth industrial revolution being shaped by the evolution of 5G technology? And what would be the potential impact on industries and human-centered innovation? So, to answer your question, uh, thank you for that question. The fifth industrial revolution focused on blending advanced technology with human-centered values. So 5G is a key enabler. Its speed, low latency, and massive connectivity make real-time collaboration between the people and the intelligent systems possible. This transforms industries like the healthcare, manufacturing, and education by making them more efficient, personalized, and inclusive. In short, 5G powers a smarter, more human-driven future. Thank you.
Okay, any more question from you guys?
For Lash, can 5G truly reach rural areas, or is that still a challenge? So, to answer that, 5G is revolutionizing key sectors by enabling the real-time intelligent and human-centric innovations that define the fifth industrial revolution. Just like what I told earlier, in terms of healthcare, 5G supports remote surgeries, real-time diagnostics, and wearable uh, health tech, bringing personalized care to patients wherever they are. In terms of manufacturing naman, powers more it powers smart factories where AI-driven machines and human collaborate, efficiently improving productivity and safety. In education, 5G enables immersive learning through AR, VR supports remote personalized learning experiences. Overall, 5G isn't just making things faster, it's making them smarter, more inclusive, and more aligned with human needs and values. I hope I answered all of your questions.
All right, that was nice, everyone. Thank you for sharing your curiosity so we can answer those things on your mind. Moving forward, now let's explore how tech is shaping businesses and human experiences through AR and VR with Mr. Charles. So here's something to think of. If you could use AR or VR in any part of your life, work, or education or entertainment, where would you use it and why? So, Charles, take the floor.
Whether it's through automation, data analysis, or smart system, technology is the key driver for processing across all industry. So we're going to proceed on our next page. Sorry. For our next page, this involves using modern technology like automation and robotics. Um, and for our first automation and robotics, extremely repetitive tasks increase productivity and improve precision in manufacturing and service. So other explanation about automation and robotics, this system takes tasks that are repetitive, time-consuming, or hazardous by using machine and handle such work. Companies can achieve greater accuracy, faster production time, and safer work environment for our employee. So next is artificial intelligence, which is the AI. For the AI, enhanced decision making with smart algorithm, uh, enabling personalization, predictive analytic, and automation. Other explanation about AI, AI allows system to simulate human intelligence by analyzing data, recognizing pattern, and making decision. And it's widely used for areas like automated customer support, forecasting equipment failure, and enhanced operating efficiency. So for our third modern technology is Internet of Things, or we call IoT. Connect device and system providing more real-time data and improving operational efficiency. Other explanation about Internet of Things, uh, IoT involves linking physical device up to the internet so they can communicate and sharing real-time data. This connectivity enable better tracking, remote monitoring, and smart control industry and operation. So for our fourth modern technology is cloud computing. Cloud computing offers scale and flexible infrastructure, enable remove access, collaboration, um, to and data storage. For other explanation about cloud computing, instead relying on local service companies can use cloud platform to store data and run application. This approach offer flexibility, reduce infrastructure costs, and allow teams collaborate from anywhere. So lastly is the data analytics. For data analytics, extract actionable insight by raw data, supporting strategies, planning, and perform uh, optimization. For other explanation about data analytics, by examining larging set of data, businesses can uncover insight into our customer behavior, market trends, and internal processes. These insights support more informed decision making and decision making informed strategy planning. So we're going to our next topic. So augmented reality, or which is the AI. So first, what is augmented reality? AR overlay digital context such as image, sounds, data onto the real world, enhanced from perception of for perception of your surrounding. So other explanation about AR overlay digital context such as image, sound, text, 3D model, or interactive data onto a real-world environment in real time. This means that instead replacing your surroundings, AR adds virtual elements to them, enhancing how they see or interact with the world around you. So how it works? AR works device like smartphones, tablet, or AR glasses to display digital element on the top of the real-world environment through a camera screen. For example, when you're using smartphone or AR glasses, you might see virtual arrow guiding you through ICT. You might point your camera at a product in a store or instant see detailed information pop up on your screen. This digital enhancement appear to be a part of the physical environment, making it feel as though the real and virtual world are blending together. So lastly is AR is commonly used in mobile app, games, education, retail, and industrial settings. Whether it's trying to virtual clothes for buying, learning through interactive 3D model, or visualizing how a new sofa would like in your living room, AR help you gain more useful, interactive, immersive experience without leaving the real world behind. So we're going to our next slide, which is the virtual reality. Virtual reality is creates a full immersive digital environment that completely replace the real world for the user. So other explanation for virtual reality, it's create a immersive digital environment that could completely replace the real world for the user. When you put a VR headset or entire field of vision, it filled with computer generate and scene you no longer see actual surrounding. This digital environment can be anything from realistic simulator and real place to entirely imagine the world. So how it works, VR works, user wear a VR headset like Meta Quest or PlayStation VR. We're in gaming, we're usually PlayStation VR that display a 360-degree digital environment sensor, track head and hand movement to let you look around and interact. So other explanation about VR, usually we are using specially headset equipment with a screen motion sensor and something hand controller. This device track your head and body movement and allow you to look around and move and interact with other objects inside the virtual space. As if you were truly there, the goal is to make the feel presence in the different place disconnected from the physical location. So this technology used in many areas, including gaming, where playing can step into a fantasy world, education where student can explore historical landmark or human anatomy in 3D, and professional training such as pilot using flight simulator or doctor practicing surgery in a risk-free virtual setting.